The Supreme Court has set aside the Allahabad High Court order which had allowed former Union Minister and BJP leader Chinmay Anand to seek a certified copy of the statement of the victim recovered under Section 164 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. A bench headed by Justice UU Lalit dedicated the order and stated that the appeal filed by the law student was allowed, thereby overruling the November 7 order of the Allahabad High Court, which had allowed Chinmay Anand's application seeking a certified copy of the statement of the victims recovered under Section 164 of the Criminal Procedure.
In the rape case files against him, the Supreme Court has refused to grant former BJP MP Chinmay Anand access to the complainant law student's statement to the magistrate under Section 164 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. The court has thus set aside the Allahabad High Court order directing that Chinmay Anand be provided a copy of the statement made by the Shahjahanpur law student. In November last year, the court had granted an interim stay on the Allahabad High Court's order allowing former Union Minister Swami Chinmay Anand to access a certified copy of the statement recorded by the Shahjahanpur law student who had levelled allegations of sexual harassment and rape against him. The complainant had argued that the High Court's direction granting Chinmay Anand access to a copy of her statement before the filing of the charge sheet was contrary to law and may have far-reaching effects. The precondition for obtaining the copy of statement of the victim under Section 164 CRPC is that the charge sheet has been filed and cognizance has been taken by the magistrate. Section 207 and 208 of CRPC, which contemplates supply of copy of police reports, statement and documents and other documents to be accused, envisage the same. The petitioner had further submitted that the High Court's reliance on the judgment rendered in Raju vs. State of UP and others was flawed in as much as the same was a reference to an approach that was adopted prior to the amendment of CRPC in 1973 and that the criminal jurisprudence has seen an overhaul since then. The bench of Justices UU Lalit, Vinit Saran and Ravindra Bhatt stated that as per the terms of its previous judgment in 2014, a rape victim statement should preferably be recorded within 24 hours directly before a lady magistrate. The Supreme Court had previously directed the Uttar Pradesh government to set up a special investigation team headed by an IG rank officer to look into the charges levelled by the women who had gone missing after accusing Chinmay Anand of harassment. On 21 September 2019, Chinmay Anand was arrested by the SIT and sent to jail. The 23-year-old student was also booked on charges of extortion. In February this year, the Allahabad High Court granted bail to Chinmay Anand, finding that it is unclear as to who has used whom between the former BJP MP and the LLM student who has alleged the sexual assault. In March, the Supreme Court dismissed the petition challenging the bail granted to Chinmay Anand by the High Court. The court also issued notice to Chinmay Anand in a separate plea seeking transfer of the trial in the rape case against the former Union Minister from the Uttar Pradesh to Delhi. Bureau Report.
And now we are joined by Advocate Shivam Sharma. Shivam, please update us on today's proceeding.
In this case, the complainant had argued that the High Court's direction granting Chinmay Anand access to a copy of her statement before the filing of her charge sheet was contrary to the law and may have far-reaching effects. The court has stated that as per the terms of its previous judgment in 2014, a rape victim statement should be recorded within 24 hours directly before a magistrate. At this stage, when FIR is yet to be registered on the complainant of the petitioner, supply of statement of this prosecutor to be accused will cause irreversible damage to her case and the cause her of fair investigation. In light of this fact, the court had thus set aside the Allahabad High Court order directing that Chinmay Anand be provide a copy of the statement made by the Shahjahanpur law student.